Hey people, so yesterday I was literally binge eating vegetables, like all the vegetables that I have in my fridge. Basically, every weekend I go away to be in Maritpalli, to be at my dad's place, and so that's what I was just worried that so many vegetables would go waste. So I was sitting and eating all the vegetables, and it's actually made a difference. Yeah, see, my God, this is like live experimentation. So, this morning I don't know, I woke up like practically middle of the night, and sometimes you wake up and then you're not fully able to fall asleep. So I think I woke up at like 2:30 in the night, and then I thought I might as well read. So there's this one book called Autopilot by Andrew Smart, and it is such a smart book. I mean, it's all about the art and science of doing nothing. But contrary to the title, this is a book that is, I'll be honest, it's rather dense. But in terms of it's written in a very that research paper type of style of language, because this gentleman has his is done his PhD or whatever, like MS degree from Sweden and all. The author Andrew Smart, and Autopilot is all about the fact that if you really want productivity, apparently you should keep your mind idle. I mean, as in, what happens is all our lives, like our life itself becomes a long to-do list. This at least it happens, right? After this we need to do this. But Andrew Smart says that writers, poets, inventors, basically anyone, including that's what Newton, right? That apple fell on his head and then he discovered gravity. So it is all about the fact that if you want your brain to really function, you need to give it some downtime, like some time to just be. So I found that idea very brilliant. So this book is called Autopilot, and you can find it on Amazon. I'm going to start doing a very detailed review soon, but right now I think I'll stick to my 1 minute, and this is already 2 minutes. So yeah, so I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.